Hey, welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to roast coffee directly on your grill. I am crazy about coffee, right? I have this whole ritual in the morning where I grind my coffee beans, I boil the water to the perfect temperature to brew that perfect cup of coffee. I even went as crazy as trying to roast my own beans at home, and I set off the fire alarms and the smoke detectors, so that wasn't really a good idea. But I came across these guys online and they're roasting coffee on a grill, and I thought, you know what, that's a brilliant idea. Obviously there's a lot of variables that go into making a perfect cup of coffee. But for sure, freshly roasted coffee, freshly ground coffee, it takes you at least halfway there. So let me show you how to do it on a grill. I set up my grill for indirect grilling at 450 degrees. I found that's the perfect temperature to roast the coffee without burning it. The key thing to look out for, or better yet, to listen out for, is the first crack. The first crack occurs when the beans reach about 385 degrees Fahrenheit. At this stage, your coffee is a light roast, with notable grassy flavors and acidity. Once your coffee beans are done roasting, let them cool and air overnight. In the morning, pack them in an airtight container. That way they will remain fresh for 7 days. Alright, the coffee's done. Looks good. Basically we passed the first crack and here we are. Get it out. Let me get you guys a sneak peek. It's very hot. Be very careful. Always handle with gloves. Look at this. It's beautiful. Look at, you can see the oils a little bit. So this is just a medium roast. I didn't want to go too far. You hear? It's still cracking a little bit. Okay, so you want to get it out of here as soon as possible so it doesn't keep cooking. Still steaming a lot. And here we go. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. So this coffee needs to rest for about 12 to 24 hours before you can drink it. So I've made some yesterday actually, and we've prepared it already. So here we go. We've already brewed a little bit of the coffee I made yesterday. Here you have the green beans, the medium roast, and yesterday I also did a dark roast. And here I already prepared some coffee to try. So let's try it out. Wow, it's like chocolatey and caramelly notes. Wow, it's really good. Has very low acidity. Very caramelly and very chocolatey. Very good. That's great. You know, my friends ask me whether the charcoal will leave like an overpowering taste on the coffee, but I don't feel I don't taste the charcoal at all. It's very coffee, and it's great. You know, it came out perfect actually. Really good. Yeah, so you could have gone a little darker on this. I choose the medium roast. This is pretty much what I drink on a daily basis. You know, from a Chemex or from just like a drip or French press. But if you want something like an espresso roast or something like that, you can take it a little bit darker past the second crack, and you get like a more like an espresso sort of roast, like an Italian roast. Yeah, so it's perfect. I hope you try it out at home. This is really cool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this episode today. And come back next week for our next episode. Thank you so much.